when you need my I'm here when you need my.
Hello guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV, and today I have something wonderful in store for you. Now guys, you know for a minute I have been decluttering and I have gotten down to the bare bones of getting rid of a lot of things, which make my decorating style a little bit more clearer for me. Now as you see my bedroom here, I am big on black, tans, and grays. But now, guys, I want to switch it up. I want to make my bedroom a little lighter. But like I have told you guys before in previous videos, I like to change a lot. So I have to keep in mind that that's one of my pet peeves, changing. I love to change on a dime. But I do not want to go out buying a lot of things that I don't need. That's how I ended up with a lot of things before that I really didn't need, and then I had to find something to do with it. But guys, I'm telling you, my decluttering has become very, very easy and addictive. Now, as you see here, when I first had the sheet on the bed, it was all black. But I know for a fact that I do want to lighten up my room. As you see, my main wall is black. I got pictures on my wall that's black, gold, gray, and white. And I just want to lighten things up. Now, this is one of my comforters that I always take to the cleaners. This is a very expensive comforter. And I love coloring, well, not coloring, but I love covering this comforter with duvet covers. And I be getting my duvet covers from Shein because they are beautiful, guys. I didn't think they were going to be that good, but they are. Now here you see me using the lift on my bed. You know, you can sit up in bed or you can raise your feet. And I like it, but in a way I don't, because it moves around. It moves around and sometimes it get caught on the bed. So it's comfortable when I'm editing or want to sit up and watch TV and and things of that nature. But would I buy it again? Yeah, I would. So let me stop lying. I would buy it again because it's very comfortable when I want to sit up and watch TV and edit and just get comfortable. Look, one of the things that I'm thinking about doing is, you see this back wall here? I am thinking about painting that to like a green, like a nice pastel green. I think that'll lighten up the room. And then I am going to take some more material and make a slip cover for that. Um, because remember I told you guys that I like change, so I need to be able to change things in and out. And I really believe that backdrop of a lime green, well, soft pastel green, will look really good. So I'm really thinking about that. I have to be sure because of my pictures over here on the wall. They are all black, but that's neither here or there. I'm really getting closer to really what I want my room to look like. All right, guys, so now it's time to get these pillows done. Now, I am going to put a pillowcase that's going to match my quilt on the pillows, and also pillowcases that is going to match my sheets. Now, guys, I have a gang of pillows in my basement on the couch, and I told you in another video that those pillows can go and match any room that I have in the house. So I am going to borrow some pillows from either my front room or my basement to help decorate my bedroom. Now, guys, don't forget that I made a valance for my window and I covered it with some beautiful material, and I also made a pillow to match that valance that's on my window. So here I am just straightening out my quilt because this is what I use to keep myself warm when I don't want to mess up my bed, and it's easy to fold that quilt back
Let's
up.
go see what we can take from other rooms.
Okay guys, so instead of taking the pillows from my basement, we are in my front room, and I have decided to take the material off of the pillows that I have on these pillows here. You see that? I'm just going to take the material, and I got these from Macy's. The fur material, I got it from Macy's because really guys, those are skirts for Christmas trees. But they had a wonderful sale, and those were on sale for $5. Now here, this pillow matched the valance that's over my window. I had extra material left, and I just took some pillows that I had and just made a pillow covering for them. Now, guys, I didn't have to cover up that pillow because remember, the same material that is on that pillow that I'm touching now is on the valance over my window. But I needed to just have a different look to my room. So I used this Christmas tree skirt and covered the two pillows that's inside of the valance covers. Now, with this extra Christmas tree skirt, I am going to cover this bench here. Now in this bench, I store all of my linen for my bedrooms, like the pillowcases, the sheets and comforters and things of that nature. And my husband loves sitting on that. Now around my house, I had these vases and they match perfectly in my room. So guys, that's why I say I'm not going to be going out buying a whole bunch of things every time I feel like I want to change the look of any room. And I'm happy with how it looks. See there? I'm happy. Now with this dollar store picker-upper, this is perfect for me to reach my curtains. And so I can shape my curtains any way I like with that. Now also guys, this is part of my decluttering thing because I have a lot of perfume. I take a squirt or two of perfume and put it on my bed every morning when I make it up. Well, that is going to do it for me. I absolutely love the way that my bedroom turned out, and I am ecstatic that I was able to make it look like this with the things that I already had just by switching things around. Now, I am not in no rush to paint that back wall because the bedroom looks good now. In the future, I may paint it a sage green like I told you before, but right now I am very happy with how my room turned out. Well, guys, thanks for coming by spending this morning with me. You have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up this video, guys. Like this video because it helps my channel grow. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another. And guess what? I'll talk to you later. Mwah!
I'm here when you need my voice. I'm here when you need